Firstly, I'm sorry about my pronunciation. It could be bad. That's baby animals book. Let's look at baby animals. Come on. Horses and foals. Here is a mother horse and her baby foal. Foals can stand up soon after they are born. Can you see the diamond shape on the foal's head? Can you see? Okay. Is it cute? Yes. Here is a little rabbit and a man.
Rabbit.
There are 3 rabbits and the black foals. Goats and kids. Here is. These naughty goats have escaped from the field. Goats think flowers are sweet and delicious. What do you think the farmer will say to them? I think he's angry, not happy with this issue. Sheep and lambs. These lambs are having fun in the spring sunshine. Can you see one of the lambs feeding from its mother? Mother sheep often have 2 or 3 babies. That one has 2. That one has 3 babies. Swans and cygnets. Look at the swans gliding down the river. Yeah. Baby swans are called cygnets, yes. They have light brown feathers. Grown-up swans are white color. Can you see one of the cygnets sitting on its mother's back? Here, I saw. Dogs and puppies. This mother dog has a busy time looking after her playful puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puppies. One of the puppies is chasing her own tail. Here's chasing her own tail. Do you think she will catch it? Baby, do you think she will catch it? Yes, I think. Cats and kittens. These hungry kittens are drinking milk. They use their little pink tongues to lap it up. Mother cat is cleaning her paws. Most of the kittens are the same color. Which one is different color? Which one is different? Orange, 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 but that one? Brown. Right? Hens and chickens. When a hen lays on an egg, she sits on it to keep it warm. A few weeks later, a chick hatches. This little chick has just picked his way out of his shell. Can you make a nose like a chick?
The chick me.
No.
Make a chick.
Cows and calves. The cow and her calf are in the barn. Newborn calves drink only milk. Milk. Cows like eating grass. Have you ever seen a cow? Yes, I think also you saw a cow. Ducks and ducklings. Look at the mother duck and her ducklings swimming across the pond. The little boy is throwing bread to the ducks. Hey, throwing bread. One of the ducks is diving underwater. Can you see her tufty tail? Oh, here's a frog. Frog, yeah. Make a sound like a frog. Pigs and piglets. The mother pig in the sty has some piglets. Look at all the curly pink tails. How many piglets can you count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I count 11. What a lot of noise they must make. Wow, I can't imagine. Lions and cubs. Lions often live in a big family called prides.
Ben de buradayım.
Okay. The
Ben
lion.
cipsimi, sen tavuksun, sen aslansın, ben kaplanım.
Yes.
Çocuk.
The mother and baby. The lion cubs love to play. Do you like to play too? Do you like to play? I know. Can you see the father lion? He has long, thick fur on his head and neck. That one is mother lion. Be kind. Be kind. Kangaroos and joys. Baby kangaroos are called joys. Newborn joys are very tiny. Oh, tiny. They are only about the size of your little finger. Can you see a joy having a right in her mother's pouch? I see.